Patchology eye gels. Do they work? How do they feel? Are they easy to put on? Are they easy to take off? Let's find out. Kim Townsel here, reviewing all the products and letting you know, do you want to try these or not? So this is me on a Saturday morning with the beautiful Patchology. They're chilled on ice, and I do keep them in the freezer, so they were quite frosty when I was putting them on, which they wanted to slide around a little bit, but they're super comfortable to wear. I had to work a little bit to get them to stay on there because of the ice crystals, but my eyes feel really, really good. I don't know if it's going to take care of the bags under my eyes or the dark circles, but I was very sleepy when I woke up this morning because I've got a very full day, so I thought, if nothing else, this will just help me wake. This will help wake me up. And they're like really big. I was surprised by that because I've used some before that were really quite tiny. Let's see how painful these are to take off. Oh, not at all. There's supposed to be like a little bit of gel left on in there to pat in. You can still see I have bags under my eyes. I didn't sleep well last night. I don't know what the deal was. Got in bed plenty early. Nothing wrong, but just one of the nights, right? Anyway, I like these. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy these for yourself or someone else that you love. I do keep mine in the freezer, so the first time I opened it up, which was this morning, I was like, what in the world is going on? Because I saw this and I thought, what? Am I supposed to scoop this stuff up and like rub it onto my eyes? I thought these were eye gels, and they are. That they were hidden under the layer of ice. So you have to peel one up very, very carefully because they're quite thin. You can see that mine have ice crystals on top of them. And then you apply it to your eye. I'll show you what I look like with it on. And put that back on. I guess this is just to rub in any kind of serum that's left on there. Probably will be a lot at the end. Probably end up keeping it in the refrigerator. Let's get that serum to thaw out. Here are the instructions in a variety of languages. The only one I can read with clarity is the one in English. Place one pair of gels onto clean, dry under eye for 5 minutes or longer if desired. Discard after use and massage remaining serum into skin. Don't put it directly on your eyes. If you get irritation, stop use and rinse thoroughly with water. You can go to their website for more information. Simple instructions, put it on. You can wear them either way with the little diagonal point going towards your tear duct or the away from your ear tear duct. So that's cool. Leave it on for 5 minutes and then you can use it to rub in any serum. Simple as can be. I do keep mine in the freezer along with a couple of spoons with some ice cubes in there that I was using before, just to take the frozen spoon and press it back into my eye to help wake me up. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have time before you go, watch another video, and remember, we'll just help each other, or I'll help you see what's out there in the terms of new products and whether you want to try them or not.